My name is Steve R. Hawkins, Intelligence Sergeant. When I first arrived in Vietnam, I got stuck in the rear for 3 boring weeks, serving as an instructor for the Vietnamese Special Forces at Nha Trang. Not bad duty, really, but incredibly boring. Now, with that behind me, on my way to Noi Pec, a hot camp up in the Central Highlands, and a chance to see some action. Finally.
I'm going down to shoot my lady, 'cause I caught her messing around
So,
with another man.
you said your name is Hornster.
That's it, CJ Hornster, weapons specialist. Is this your first visit to Noi Pec?
Yeah, I'm here to replace the team's intelligence sergeant, KIA.
Yeah, Douglas, poor bastard. He ran out of luck.
I heard he got zapped on night patrol.
Right. I was out with him on a night ambush. We're going after some VC tax collectors. It's a group of local VC who are stealing rice from the local ville. Villagers sent us a message, so we humped over there one night and ambushed those gooks just before they got into the village. Me, Douglas, and a few of the yards. They were so surprised they didn't have time to wet their pants. After we blew the claymores, they were all lying there, totally wasted. But then we went to check the bodies, another bunch came up on us. We had a dust up there for a minute, then they DD'd, but Douglas was unlucky. Hey, shit happens. At least it was quick. An AK round caught him in the head. He was out of it before he even hit the deck, man.
Poor bastard.
Yo, Noi Pec camp is right ahead of us, guys. Get your stuff together. We don't want to stay any longer than we have to.
So here it is, my new home.
Take care, man. Tell those REMFs at HQ to come out here and start earning their pay.
Wilco, don't work too hard, GI, and keep your ass down.
Hey!
Hey man, good old CJ is back. Good to see you. Who's the FNG?
This is Hawkins, our new intelligence sergeant. He's PCS to the camp now.
Yo, I'm DeFori, the radio operator. The captain wants to talk to you. He should be in the TOC bunker. The one with the American flag flying.
I was in that bar we trashed when we brawled with those Marines last time around. What's happening with our mountain yard friends? You're getting upset.
Don't worry, you ain't gonna die. You're gonna be medevac to a nice, cozy hospital. Loads of pretty urgent.
The things I do, you'd never try.
Damn it! What's the matter with this stinking carburetor?